Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see different types of data types in Python. So let's get into the class. So this is my idle and I have opened the new file here. I have opened the new file and I will save as, and I will go to the documents and Python programs, and I will save as data types dot py. Save. So first of all, I will give. So what is this? It's a string. It's a string. Am and so print x and print type of x. What type of x will give? It will give the data type. It will give the data type. So what is x variable? X variable is a string? Is it integer? Is it float? Is it double? It will check the data type. It will check the data type. So let's run this program. Let's click on F5. Then it will be asked to click OK. Then it will give the output and it will give the data type. It will give the data type. It is a string data type. It is a string data type. And after that, x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Or I will give y is equal to 20. And print x. Sorry, print y. And print type of y. Type of y. And run this program again. And see, now it is a 20 is an integer. It's saying integer. Yes, it is saying integer. And we will write. So we have discussed about string and integer. String and integer. So now we will discuss float and double. Float and double. I'll give 20.5. I'll give 20.5. And here I will give x and print z, print type of z, and click on F5 and click on float. And so it's giving float. So it is giving float. And we will see now a is equal to 1 z. A is equal to 1 z. So what it is? It's a complex. It is complex. It is complex. So here and print type of A. See, I'm getting complex. I'm getting complex. And next I will see tuple. So next I will say tuple. And B is equal to apple, banana, cherry, and I will print B. I'll print B and I will print type of B. I will print type of B. Type of B. So what it will print? It will print the tuple. It will print the tuple. Sorry, it will print the list. It will print the list. So it is a list. So whenever you write any data in this square brackets, then it is a list. Then it is a list. So any data which you written in square brackets, it is considered as the list. It is considered as the list. And after that, C is equal to parenthesis. Okay, let's copy this and paste this. And just I will change the variables and change the square brackets. And I will use here parenthesis. I will use here parenthesis. So what is this? It's a parenthesis. And I will change the variables here. So it is a tuple. It is a tuple. It is a tuple. And next, we will see the range. We will see the range. So range of 6. So range of 6. And I will print D. And I will print type of D. So let's press save it and see. So it's a range from 0 to 6. 0 to 6. So it is a range. And after that, we will see the frozen set. You will see the frozen set, or we can see the. Let's see. We will what we will get if we write in the flower brackets. In the flower brackets. Let's copy this and just paste it. We will use flower brackets. We have used square brackets, parenthesis, and now we are using flower brackets. Let's see what will come. Now here I will use E and I'll print E here and I will print type of E, type of E. So let's save it. And so what is it? Is a it is a set. It is a set. So anything which we write in the square brackets, it is considered as a list. Any data, if we write inside the parenthesis, it is considered as the tuple. And any data which we write inside the flower brackets, that is considered as the set. That is considered as the set. So now we will copy this thing and again I will paste here and I will do some changes here like so I will give name Achut and after that I will give age 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 and I'll do column age 25 age is a 25 and it's not a string, it is a integer and I will remove this and I will remove this. I will remove this and I'll change the variable to f and I will just change the variables. So let's see what will happen. So it's a dictionary. It is a dictionary. It is a dictionary. So what is this? It's a key and it is a value. It's a key and it's a value. So when you have key values in the flower brackets, then it is considered as the dictionary. Then it's considered as the dictionary. And after that, we'll write G is equal to frozen set and I will open parenthesis. In between, I will write RCB. So I'll write RCB, Mumbai Indians. LE Capitals. So I have written frozen set, and I have given some values here in these flower brackets. What is RCB, Mumbai Indians, and Delhi Capitals. And I will print G and print type of G, type of G, type of G. Let's save it and let's check what will happen. So it's saying it's a frozen set. It's a frozen set. And we'll write another thing. H is equal to true. H is equal to true. So what is a boolean? Is a boolean. So print type of H, type of H. Let's save it and so it's a boolean. It's a boolean. It's a boolean. And after that, I'll write I is equal to I is equal to so it is a bytes. It is a bytes. It's a bytes. So how can we write? I is equal to B. B means bytes, and I'm using some string. And if you want to check it is a bytes. It's a bytes. And J is equal to byte array of 7. I'll give 7. I'll give 7 and I'll just print J and print type of J. It is a byte array. It is a byte array. It is a byte array. K is equal to memory view and bytes of 9. Bytes of 9. So it is a memory view. It is a memory view. And like I will just print K and print type of K. Just I will do save it and I will see it is a memory view data type. It's a memory view data type. So these are data types. These are data types. Frozen set, dictionaries, set, range, tuple, list, complex, float, integer, and finally string. And we are having the last one. The last one is L is equal to none. So L is equal to none. And print L, print type of L and click OK. So it is a none type. It is a none type. So these are the different types of data types which are present in the Python. So I hope you understand all the data types. If you don't understand, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.